A sly fox, one of the minister of Lion King, went to a donkey and said, "The Lord is impressed your alertness. He had invited you to be a guest." The donkey believed and went along with the fox. But the lion's plan was to prey upon the donkey. As the lion was about to dig him, the fox said, "Lord, why don't you get fresh in the lake first? The meal will be more enjoyable then." The lion liked the idea while he took bath. The fox gulped the donkey's brain. The lion returned and roared, "Where's his brain?" "Lord, had the donkey a brain, he could not have come to you voluntarily," answered the fox. Moral: at time a sly argument outwits the wise.